Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Well, I've got good news for you. Introducing 7 surefire ways to boost your income online. In this video, we'll explore practical methods that can change your financial situation. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for more detailed information. These strategies have helped countless individuals break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or build a full-fledged online business, we've got you covered. Now, let's get started with the first method, freelancing. Freelancing allows you to utilize your skills and work on projects from the comfort of your own home. Have you ever considered becoming a virtual assistant? Many online businesses are willing to pay for assistance with administrative tasks. Now, let's talk about drop shipping, a popular e-commerce method that requires minimal upfront investment. You can source products from suppliers and have them shipped directly to your customers. And finally, we have YouTube, the platform you're watching right now. Creating valuable content and monetizing your channel through ads and sponsorships can be highly profitable. Remember, these are just a few of the many ways to boost your income online. Click the link below for more in-depth strategies and resources to help you succeed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content like this. But before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer: results may vary, and success is not guaranteed. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.